welcome to See Through My Eyes. Let's embark on a mesmerizing journey to Devkund Waterfall trek from Pune during the monsoon. Our group of 5 set off in a cab, costing us only 4,200 Indian rupees. We planned the trip on a weekday and started early morning to ensure a tranquil experience without the crowds. Residents near Viman Nagar, Koregaon Park, or Shivaji Nagar can reach Patnus village parking, which is the trek starting point, in 2.5 to 3 hours. A 100 Indian rupees ticket grants access for trek, and guides are available along the way. On the route, you will find charming shops offering snacks, water, tea, and Maggi noodles. Devkund trek enchants with hanging bridges, lush forests, and cascades. It suits beginners and intermediate trekkers, with 90% of the trail being easy and 10% slightly challenging. Covering 3 kilometers one way, the trek takes 2 to 3 hours. The waterfall's arrival is magical, offering a serene spot to relax. We even discovered a hidden gem above, unveiling more stunning vistas. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching this video.